am here with Paige Ulban, who is known as Hex Tapes. I'm here with Mo. I don't know your last name.
Monique Poor.
Monique Poor. Buzzcut Mo on Instagram. Today what we're going to do is we're actually going to, hopefully you can hear me, there's so many cars. What we're going to do is that we're going to shoot in a couple locations. We're each going to get 3 minutes to hopefully make it an actual challenge. And so I think Paige is going to go first because she already has an idea, and let's just do it. Cool. I had you did, and I was like, oh god! I just feel okay. Yep, pretty good. Alright, that was Paige's 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna try to think of something new to do because Paige did everything that would be perfect. So I'm taking my phone in my pocket. Look! Whack that coat. Okay. Step right up here. You're gonna get hit. One, two, three. Perfect. Just actually hold like this stuff and actually kind of crunch. Yeah, just okay. One, two, three. That is perfect. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Can you bring your right leg a little bit forward? There you go. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Chin up just a bit. There you go. Go ahead and look off that way for me. Perfect. 1, 2.
That 3 minutes goes fast, man.
Woo! That is a workout.
I'm like watering.
I have no clue if anything came out because I wasn't looking at it really at all, but I'm looking forward to looking at them later. Do you want to take a quick 5-minute break in the car, warm up?
Up to you.
Yeah. Up to you mostly.
I think we can keep it pushing.
Okay.
I'm good.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Alright, time to party.
Yeah.
Woo! That sounds kind of nice though, a little more. Yeah. Go this way. Woo! I'm gonna have you stand right here. And you just like... Okay, I'm gonna have you, leave that down. Kind of like hold it in the middle. Alright.
Right.
warm up a little bit. I think Mo deserves a little time in the car, and we're gonna go to the next spot. Alright, I'm here with Mo. Paige is not feeling the steam vent, but I think it might be cool. So we're gonna go in the middle of where traffic might be and shoot very fast into the steam vent.
Let me know if it smells.
We got a lot of cars. Well, I can just utilize this space.
And time.
So often is that people hand me the stuff and I'm so like all over the place. Literally, I shot with Heather because I did her in like oh my god, Adam's like cottage core thing.
Yeah.
And I lost her glasses.
Oh no.
Because I was like shooting, she handed them to me and we were in the field and I lost them, and I think about that like 3 times a day. Completely my ideas are just not good enough for Paige. I get it. Yeah, that's what I like about it so much. I'm gonna pull this one apart. See, this is what I'm saying. I just can't have anything.
He's seen a lot of things.
I'm gonna kind of like pull against it. I'm very sorry. There we
No,
go.
it's okay.
Is that okay? You don't feel like you're gonna die in there? Right, perfect. Can I just get you like right here? So I want to shoot kind of you in between all of what's happening right here. Right there is perfect. Hold right there. Perfect. Go ahead and act almost look like you're taking a step versus having your feet together. There we go. Perfect. 1, 2. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's a little too big of a step. No, you're okay. I just gotta move back a little bit and then we'll be done. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Perfect. Can you actually kind of like look up over there versus right at me? Perfect. A little less. Maybe at Brandon. There we go. Alright, perfect. Back to the car. Back to the car. Back to the car. Everybody's freezing. I feel like it got colder since we were out earlier.
Yeah.
All right, we are back at Paige and Brandon's amazing apartment. I just want to say, first of all, thank you so much to Mo. Thank you for being here. Got anything you want to say?
I had lots of fun, and I am warm now.
Good.
And I look
Yes.
forward to seeing the pictures.
That's the most important thing, is being warm. Paige, look how cute you are. Such a cutie. Hopefully you had a good time. Hopefully you're a little bit warmer now than you were 10 minutes ago.
Oh yeah, I
Yeah?
feel good. Yeah, it was super fun.
Good. You feel okay?
I feel okay. I just, yeah, I can't wait for the next one
Mm-hmm.
because
like I was talking about earlier, the 3-minute kind of intimidated me. So we'll see what I got.
Yeah, but Paige and I will be doing another video in the spring, which will not be 3 minutes, so that way she's not stressed about the time. And our Freddie of our iCarly episode.
Hey.
We got Brandon. Oh hi! Oh hi! So Midwestern. Oh hi!
The only one not awkward.
Thank you, Brandon, for being here, for
Of course.
helping.
It was my pleasure.
No. The pleasure is all mine. All right, until next time. I guess we're out of here.
Bye!
Bye!